morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Separate channel, a channel that describes about geography and really describes about the nature and how we talk as geographers. This is another lesson for today, and we are going to discuss about Karst topography or limestone features. For geographers in the whole wide world, we are meant to understand, we are meant to ascertain that there should be a need for us to discuss about Karst topography. So in this regard, when we talk about Karst, we are specifically referring to a stretch of land that is made up of limestone. A stretch of land that is made up of limestone. In respect to this, we are trying to say that when a land is made up of almost 50% of calcium carbonates, we are defining about limestone. Now, for us to know the meaning of chalk, chalk is also a mineral that is made up of almost calcium carbonates rating from 95%. So in this case, when you have a rock and the rock is made up of calcium carbonates, in geographical term, we are defining Karst topography. So a Karst region is a region that is made up of calcium carbonates in its quantity around 90% to 95%. So let's continue and understand how this process occurs. Now, when rain falls or when rain occurs, you see rainfall mixes with water. You see rainfall mixes with carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Rainfall mixes with carbon dioxide in the atmosphere to form weak carbonic acid. When it rains, the rainwater mixes with carbon dioxide in the atmosphere to form weak carbonic acid. This weak carbonic acid enters into rocks containing calcium carbonates, and it turns to calcium bicarbonate, and it enters into rocks. It enters into rocks joints and opens up the joint. So when this occurs, you see that features will be formed on this limestone. These features that can be visible to geographical eye is termed as surface intrusive or surface limestone features. And we have almost 5 features formed by this organic compound. One, the first one is termed as swallow hole. The next one is also termed as toe line. The third one is termed as juvala. The last one we call it the gorge. These are the 4 main processes that we have in geographical terms. So how are you going to describe swallow hole, toe line, juvala, and gorge? As we said, with the aid of diagram as geographers, we said with the aid of diagram, describe the mode of formation of swallow hole. How are you going to do it? With this knowledge information that we have, you start by saying that when it rains, rainfall penetrates into rocks containing calcium carbonates. And when it penetrates into these small spaces, it opens up the depression, it widens the depression, and this one will change to a different hole, termed as swallow hole. When continuation or when series of swallow hole occur, it leads to juvala, gorge, and toe line. This is intrusive, or this is the extrusive volcanic features. So when we meet the other time, we will discuss about the intrusive features of limestone. Thank you, and you meet in the next session. Bye bye.